Hey, welcome back. Today we're leveling up your English in a very simple way. I'm going to take 10 basic words that everyone uses and show you Hyas 4 better, more natural ways to say each one. So instead of sounding basic, you'll sound confident, fluent, and natural. Let's get into it. 1. I'm fine. All right, instead of always saying, I'm fine, try this. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good today. Everything's smooth. I'm all right. Yeah, I'm all right. Just a bit tired. I'm fantastic. I'm fantastic. It's been a great day. 2. I'm tired. Let's upgrade. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted after that long day at work. I'm drained. Man, I'm drained. I need some rest. I'm worn out. I'm completely worn out from the gym. I'm fatigued. More formal. I feel fatigued after working nonstop. 3. I'm happy. Instead of, I'm happy. I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled about this opportunity. I'm delighted. I'm really delighted to see you. I'm overjoyed. She was overjoyed when she heard the news. I'm in a great mood. I'm in a great mood today. Chapter 4. I'm sad. Upgrade. I'm sad. I'm upset. I'm upset about what happened. I'm down. I've been feeling down lately. I'm heartbroken. He was heartbroken after the breakup. I'm disappointed. Q. I'm disappointed in the results. 5. It's easy. Instead of, it's easy. It's simple. Don't worry, it's simple to learn. It's effortless. For her, speaking English is effortless. It's a piece of cake. Relax, this test is a piece of cake. It's straightforward. The instructions are straightforward. Just. 6. It's hard. Upgrade. It's hard. It's difficult. This exam is really difficult. It's challenging. Learning a new language is challenging. It's tough. That workout was tough. It's demanding. His job is very demanding. 7. I'm hungry. Instead of, I'm hungry. I'm starving. I'm starving. Let's eat now. I'm famished. Strong. I'm absolutely famished. I could eat something. I could eat something right now. I'm craving food. I'm craving something spicy. 8. I'm busy. Upgrade. I'm busy. I'm tied up. I'm tied up right now. Call you later. I'm occupied. Sorry, I'm occupied at the moment. I'm swamped. I'm swamped with work today. I've got a lot on my plate. I've got a lot on my plate this week. Number 9. I'm scared. Instead of, I'm scared. I'm terrified. I'm terrified of heights. I'm nervous. I'm nervous about the interview. I'm anxious. She feels anxious before exams. I'm frightened. The loud noise frightened me. I like it. Upgrade. I like it. I love it. I love this song. I enjoy it. I really enjoy this class. I'm into it. I'm really into this style. I'm a fan of it. I'm a big fan of his work. Outro, natural closing. All right, that's 10 simple words, 40 powerful ways to speak better English. Don't try to memorize everything at once. Just pick my 2 or 3 expressions and start using them today. That's how you become fluent, step by step. If you want more lessons like this, you already know what to do. I'll see you in the next one.